from the next road trip. Greetings! Discover more about the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a mobile masterpiece that redefines luxury and adventure in an exclusive behind-the-scenes glimpse. Since its inception, Chevrolet has been renowned for its inventiveness and durability, and their newest motorhome is a prime example of that commitment with an aerodynamic design that blends classic Chevy features with powerful modern lines. Underneath its pretty exterior lies a powerful V8 engine, perhaps a 6.6L V8 petrol version with 401 horsepower, 299 kilowatts, and 629 Newton-meters, 464 lb-ft of torque, or a more powerful 6.6L Duramax Turbo-Diesel V8 with 470 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, and 1,322 Newton-meters, 975 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're driving down the interstate or up high mountains, these engines with a speedy 10-speed automatic transmission provide you the power and economy to tackle any road trip. When you go in, you're greeted by an elegant, ergonomic dashboard designed for maximum comfort and control. A large, most likely 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, an excellent sound system, and simple navigation is the major draw. A fully computerized instrument cluster behind it displays all of the crucial driving data. When traveling, easily accessible physical controls and better quality materials provide every component, from upholstery to trim, a luxurious appearance. Further back, the inside of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is designed to be a spacious, multifunctional living space. Because of the open-plan design, the living area, kitchen, and bedroom all blend together perfectly. High-end materials like leather seats, hardwood floors, and elegant metal or carbon fiber accents adorn every corner and cranny. A motorized slide-out function expands the living area when parked, giving you unexpected space. Huge panoramic windows give stunning views from any angle, and ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted creates the perfect mood at any moment. After a day of touring, the master bedroom offers a tranquil retreat. Its comfortable queen or king-size bed and plush mattress provide a restful night's sleep. A spacious closet with sliding or folding doors offers lots of storage, and bedside tables could include USB charging ports and Wi-Fi. A personal entertainment system with gentle reading light and a flat-screen TV complement your relaxing experience. The bathroom in this 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome was designed to be both stylish and practical. There is a full-size shower with a rainforest showerhead, enough water pressure, and a glass door that makes moving around simple. A large mirror with integrated lighting, a ceramic toilet with a powerful flush system, and an elegant sink with a high-end faucet are examples of luxurious features. Moisture-resistant, easily cleaned materials and ingenious cabinet storage ensure practicality without sacrificing elegance. Get ready to prepare delectable meals in this thoughtfully designed kitchen. It has high-end stainless steel appliances, including a big double sink, a multi-burner gas or induction stove, a microwave and convection oven, and a house-sized refrigerator and freezer. Sturdy solid surface countertops are not only functional but also slightly elegant. With soft close bottom drawers and enough storage space in the upper cabinets, all of your kitchenware is kept neat and orderly. Traveling in the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is about more than just reaching your destination. It's about enjoying every second of the journey. This mobile home is designed for endless excursions. Are you ready to go on your next journey?